Hey, welcome back to Nettie's Recipe Bowl. Today we're going to be doing a grilled haddock foil pack loaded with veggies, fresh thyme, and lemon. These are perfect for busy nights or easy weekend grilling. Let's get started. We'll be using foil today because we're cooking on the grill. If you're doing these in the oven, you can easily use parchment paper, but I don't recommend parchment paper on the grill because it can easily catch fire.
Yikes, we don't want that.
I'm making 2 individual packets today. You can make one large one if you want. Use 2 sheets of foil, approximately 15 to 18 inches long each. And I lay one this way and one this way so I can make an envelope so they don't leak. This is equally as good with zucchini in the summer when you have an overabundance of zucchini, to line the bottom with zucchini and then lay your haddock on top of that. That is delicious. And you can use asparagus, potatoes, any vegetable really that you want in these. Nice little handful of onions. I'm going to drizzle the vegetables with a little olive oil. Nice little scoop of garlic. And we're going to salt and pepper these good. And like I said, you can easily do these in the oven, and I would do them about 375, 20 minutes. Then I'm going to take 1 haddock fillet, and these are approximately 8 ounce. I'm going to lay that right on top. Dot this with a little bit of butter. Maybe about 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter. Now you don't have to use fresh herbs. You can easily sprinkle some dried rosemary or dried thyme. I would say about a half a teaspoon of each. Roll up each end. Just trying to seal it so we don't get butter melting and dripping out onto our grill. And then I'll turn this, and I'm going to bring this up like an envelope. I'm going to fold that, fold it up. And we have made these with chicken, potatoes, peppers, and onions. These are delicious, and they're so good. They're something excellent for when you're camping to throw on the fire. So let's get the other one made. That haddock looks good. Nice white flesh. Okay, let's get our envelopes on the grill. 1 meal in a packet. Don't forget to like and subscribe.